Alright, YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video. What's going on, YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. Real quick, guys, I wanted to bring you guys in the market. I'm looking currently to use my hourly in the money, at the money strategy. I'm scouting right now. I don't see anything particularly right now I want to get involved in. So I'm going to, as this video goes on, I'm going to let you guys see two trades that I took, one yesterday and one earlier. While I was at the gym on the treadmill, I saw the setup as I was running. I saw the setup. I turned it to walk, and I placed the trade. All right, this is something that you can do all the time wherever you're at. All right, if the setup's there, and then boom, okay, you make the trade. Now, I am trading on a very small account. I'm not going to lie to you. It's very tiny. You're going to see 1 to 2 contracts maybe ahead for the duration until I get my account size comfortable enough to show you big profit. You can earn huge money on this if you're going to throw a lot of money out there. All right. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to be the guy to show you $700 right now on profits. Okay. $700 days is just not for me right now. Trying to build this account for you YouTubers that do not have a high Nadex account, that are interested in buying a strategy, that are interested in trading Nadex, but they just don't have that extra supply of income. I want to show you that you can build your account using my strategies. All right. And a big shout out to the military people out there that have emailed me. Hey guys, I appreciate you. This is extremely great, and this is great for you guys out there, the military and your veterans that don't have the extra income, that are looking to learn how to trade Nadex, looking to expand their portfolio and earn some money daily. All right. That's partly the reason I'm doing this. I've had a lot of emails from military people telling me, I want to buy your strategy. I just don't have thousands of dollars to put into Nadex. That's fine. Put $250 in Nadex. All right. Put $250 and work with me. I will work with you. And that's anyone. Anyone that buys a strategy has the opportunity to work with me for however long they need. Okay. Like, as long as we can fit it in the schedule and we don't have any scheduling conflicts, I will be there for you. All right. I am going to trade with you. We're going to go over everything one-on-one. It doesn't matter. We could even talk on the weekends, whatever. I am here 100% for you guys. Now, you can earn $500 to $1,000 a day using this. Like I said, it's all about account risk. Some people are totally cool with spending $2,000 to make $150. I mean, I'm not. That is insane to me. Some people always, I make $700 days, $500 days. Yeah, that's great. You know how much money you risked, but when it's your money and you work hard for your money and you don't have access money, then we need to be smart about things. So the two trades that you're about to see, and hopefully we can get in another one while we're making this video. But the two trades you're about to see, I did one contract and I did 2 contracts. And I scalped both trades for 50% profit. And that is something I advise on a small account. You need to take the money when it's there. Don't let someone else grab your money. If you see the money, take the money and put it in your pocket and move on to the next trade. All right. We trade hourly. We trade 5 minutes. Whatever the case may be, take the money. All right. And small goals. Keep small goals. On a small account, $250,000, $500,000 accounts, you should not be aiming for $500 a day. It's always great, yeah, but at that point you're risking a lot and you're trading a lot. Trade small, trade often, right? Trade small, trade often. That is the model that you should be looking at. Not trade big and then hopefully you earn big and then you lose and now you're like coming at me like, what the heck, man? Like, I thought I was going to win. No. We trade smart. We take our setups. We take our money. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, pause, and I'm going to roll up my cell phone so you guys can see the cell phone trade I made. I made one yesterday and I made one today, like I said, all from the comforts of the treadmill, unfortunately. That's what I have to do these days. But you will see. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so we're in my cell phone here. Now, I took a hourly at the money, in the money trade on USD JPY. I decided to sell the market. We sold JPY at 113.02. We also sent out an alert for this trade as well as the GBP JPY out of the money trade. I think that trade cost us, I think it was a total maybe $20. I think it was like 18 when we got in, or maybe less. It was very low risk, high reward. On that setup, we were able to scalp profit on this. But this USD JPY is interesting because we entered the market at 1 hour and 11 minutes remaining on this 7 to 9 time frame. And I believe you'll see at the end of the video, I think we got out in around 56 minutes or 50 minutes. I'm not quite sure. We'll have to see. But regardless, it's about 25 minutes, the max that we were in this trade, and we were able to take profit. So those are kind of the things that you have to look at. I know there's a lot of 5-minute traders out there, and those are awesome. It's amazing. I have a great strategy for that as well. But if you want a little bit more time and you're messing around with a small account, your hourly at the money, in the money is going to be a good bet, especially for you beginner traders. So that way you have a little bit more time, and time's on your side. But as you see, I'm texting Hassan here, my partner. Look at that. He said that was fast. I told him I was on the treadmill watching that thing. And that's just the opportunities that this will bring to you. You could trade from anywhere, and it's a great tool to have. So the next trade, I'm going to do another treadmill trade, and you're going to see. But as this trade's closing, you saw how it was just at like $5, and then all of a sudden it just shoots up, pretty quick. And we were able to get out at 38. And I believe there was, look at that, 50 minutes left. And we got out. And there's the email confirming. All right, I'm still looking for a setup here. I haven't come across anything. So I got some alerts set as far as my charts, and I'll be checking back here and there sporadically as I make this video. So I'm going to flash you guys back to earlier in the day today when I was on the treadmill again, and I was able to take another hourly at the money. I took one contract. I was able to scalp, I believe, $23 or something like that. And again, I'm not flaunting huge profits, and that's okay, and that's something hopefully you guys understand. And I definitely, I can put a whole bunch of money in this account and show you guys hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and that's great for me. But then you guys really, the ones that are out here trying to learn and trying to earn, not everyone has thousands of dollars. So just keep that in mind. And yes, I'm not flaunting huge profits, but obviously you guys see me earning, just multiply by contracts and you'll get more money. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind as you're watching. I'm going to show you guys another video real quick from my phone. It's pretty quick and easy to see, and it's just quick profits. All right, so here we sold Euro USD 1.1756. We got in for $45. I sent this alert while I was on the treadmill. This is going to be pretty short. I just wanted to get in, show you the profit, and watch me scalp it. Now, for $45, I'm looking to get $20. And as you see, I'm about to get my halfway take profit point. So you're just going to see me here. I always click. It's just a habit I have. I try to get the best price. And there we go. We take profit. All right, guys. So it's getting a little late. I haven't found a setup I really want to take. And I'm not going to go chasing trades. With a small account, we're going to live to fight another day. We're going to take our profits and run from Nadex for today. If you guys haven't yet, please like, subscribe, turn post notifications on if you can. It's the little bell on the top right. And if you're trading Nadex with $1,000 or less and you're very interested in growing your Nadex account on a daily basis, please like this video, trying to see exactly what people want to do as far as Nadex and how people are doing it. And so if you haven't gone to my website, GTrade Now, it's very simple. Go to gtradenow.com. This will take you to my home page, right, where all my products are. We're going to do some price cuts here for good. This Signal Group is going to stay $100 flat. It's never going to increase, and it's not going to go any further down. The sales on the hourly and 5-minute, they're going to remain there as well. We're going to leave those on for the next few weeks. So take advantage of those. Every one of these programs, except for the Alert Group. The Alert Group does give you trade plans, but as far as one-on-one trading and working with me personally, if you buy the strategy, that is what I offer. As long, like I said 100 times, as long as we can make it scheduled, just due to my schedule and the amount of people that I am taking on right now, it would be greatly appreciated. Until tomorrow, YouTube, I appreciate the time. Thank you very much. I hope you guys all have a great rest of the week. Take care.